In this example, we're going to find a integer b such that 3 times b is congruent to 1 mod 8. And we have the further stipulation that b is between 0 and 7 inclusive. So remember, b has to be an integer. All right, so the way I would go about doing this is just with an exhaustive search. 8 is small enough that you can just check all the situations. So I would just make a table. We got b, 3b, 3b mod 8, and then a yes or no column. 3b congruent to 1 mod 8. Something like that. Straight across like that. Now remember, b is between 0 and 7. This is because mod 8, when you divide something by 8, the only possible remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Remember, if the remainder was 8 or more, that means you could divide it in, your quotient actually wasn't big enough. And so then, yeah, so that's why. Okay, so anyway, we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that's your b. 3b, so 3 times 0 is 0. We have 3, 6, 9, let's see, 12, 5 times 3 is 15, 18, 7 times 3 is 21. Now remember, 3b mod 8, or just anything mod 8, what's that? That's the remainder when you divide by 8. When you divide 0 by 8, 0 is less than 8, so your remainder is 0. So 3 is less than 8, so your remainder is 3. Same thing with 6. Okay, and then let's just fill out this last column here. So is 0 congruent to 1 mod 8? No. Is 3 congruent to 1 mod 8? No. Is 6 congruent to 1 mod 8? No. Okay, now let's see. 9 mod 8. So 9 is actually, so what's the remainder when you divide 9 by 8? It goes in one time with a remainder of 1. And that's it. That we found it. There's our yes. And so what is b? b is 3. So our answer is going to be 3.